that reason, all smoke detectors are connected to the lighting circuit. Also, a lot of times when I do go live, um, a lot of times I don't plan my lives. So for all those who are subscribed to the channel, just make sure the notification is turned to all. Reason being is there are other workers inside of here that are working, and a lot of times they have the music on, and I don't want to get the copyright, so I kind of stay away from them. So I kind of stay from them they are going when they are going to be working downstairs. Just again, reason being is because I don't want to get the copyright with the music. So again, that was just a quick live of how I normally do I normally do my lighting as I'm winding down. Um, yes, Isaac Gazer, thanks again for checking in to the channel. Um, so, as you know, it was just a quick live. And Uncle's going live right now, so I'm going to head over there. But it was just a quick live, and I'd like to thank you guys for all uh, checking into to the live. Isaac Gaza. Um, I'd like to thank Isria Scott. Also, yes, Happy New Year to you also, Isaac Gaza. Happy New Year to you also. I'd like to thank Gaza Uncle also for checking in. And again, Sasha Ice, uh, Kim, State of Dancehall, Up Movement TV, Revive TV, Jamaica Revive TV Entertainment, Gaza Libra, um, DJ Bullet, um, Asa Mario, Cash Cow, known as Mr. British, and there's a lot more who always tune into the live stream. So yes, um, Israel, thank you for checking into the live for the first time, and and normally, like I said, I don't plan the lives. I just come out and I do the live stream. So again, thank you guys all, and I will See you guys on the next video.